Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com, LearnCrypto.io for Sunday, September 21st, 2025. We've got the Wyckoff wave in front of us here. Trend's been your friend. We continue to work higher. And some of these indices, this looked like some type of triangle formation or what we call a pork blaster. So maybe still a little bit higher to go. Wyckoff wave, new index, same type of thing. Triple witching was Friday, so that brought in some heavier volume. In the Wyckoff wave growth index, you can see there a week ago we had an oversold technometer down here, and that called the low, and we're working out again some type of a diagonal triangle or something, but looks like maybe it has a little bit higher to go, and then I still would expect a pullback. The SPY no different, just continuing to set new records. Technometer not overbought at 43.26. Emerging markets, as I gave the buy signal back there at 38 and change, continues to work higher. Would like to have a pullback there also to add to positions if possible. TLT, I think that maybe was an important top there after the Fed meeting. I think we can go and break the new lows. You can see here we've had a pretty big sideways triangle going back quite a ways. I think possibly that could have been a last point of supply. We'll be watching for that, but I'm looking for lower. Crude oil, not doing much. Again, looks like still lower. XLE stocks trying to hold up with the general market, but not very good price action. GLD and GDX, we're looking for a little bit lower here. We really got a sideways triangle to new highs. Again, a little bit higher with the SPY, etc. And then I think we're still going to get a top there and could have a pullback to that 270, 290 level in the near future. The dollar broke to new lows after the Fed meeting, as you can see here. Once again, I think that could have been a spring and that could be a major low. I did not offer a buy signal there. I did say at the lows that we had new lows, but I thought a low was forming. And then we did rally the last 3 days. So again, I'm looking for the dollar to work higher, but no positions. Bitcoin, if you can see here, if we try to zoom in, we did have the two buys near the lows. I talked about my last time around 109 that I thought we could rally to 117.4. We did basically exactly that. The high was 117.9. And then we did have some selling there on Friday and a little bit more over the weekend. So this, to me, looks a little bit toppy. As you can see here, I do have some Elliott wave markings here, but Wyckoff has given us our trades. But again, this could be an A-B, and we're headed down to 100. So currently, the technometer is 42.67. It did not get overbought, but I didn't like the action up there, and I followed some Elliott wave guidelines, and I thought that was resistance. So again, let's look for lower. If the technometer can get oversold before we get down to 100, it'd be perfect. But if nothing else, there's probably some support at 111. So let's look for continued lower. Ethereum underperforming. Not much to add there. It does look like, again, a triangle pork blaster. Technometer 45.73. I don't have much to add. There is a little bit of a buy divergence here because we do have volume setting here at the lows while price is setting higher lows. So that by itself does look good because once again, could have this triangle formation, which with volume continuing down while price holds, that is bullish. So we will watch for that. I would say anything above that 46, 44 level would start to turn this chart bullish. Have a great week trading.